Factor the expression completely. Which of the following is one of the factors? Okay, so this has an x cubed. We can't do a double bubble because of the cubic. I don't see any greatest common factors, like there's no numbers that go into all of the coefficients, and they don't all have an x, at least an x term. So I'm going to have to try factoring by grouping, which is where we strategically put some parentheses like this. And then we just hope that we get a common factor. So in this first set of parentheses, both terms have an x squared. So I could pull out an x squared and I'd be left with x minus 4. And in this second set of parentheses, I could pull out a 3. 3 goes into both terms. So I'm going to pull out a 3, and what's left is x minus 4. Oh, hooray! I have a common factor, x minus 4. So now I can pull out an x minus 4. And what's left when I pull out that x minus 4 is an x squared and a positive 3. So x squared plus 3. So which of these is one of these factors? B, x squared plus 3.